All right, guys, it looks like it's about that time again. We're ready to try something new.
We just came up with this harebrained, crazy, off the wall, can we do it, OMG idea to move down to Florida and start looking for a sailboat.
Every time we've seen one of these amazing sailboats in our travels around the world, we're like, God, that looks so beautiful. And I'm like, hell no, that deep water, sharks, Jaws, terrified me. That I don't think it's a possibility.
And then I'm like, I gotta know how to do the helm, the riggers,
all of us,
the
really.
jiggers, the figures.
We don't even know the terminology.
The squiggers, the
squiggers,
the steering wheel, the lines. Yeah.
It's a line, right? Not a rope.
It's not a rope. We did learn that.
So, but before we get into this, let's rewind a few months.
All right, so people have been asking us for the past couple months, where have we been with our YouTube channel? We used to post quite frequently. We kind of went a little bit dormant over the last couple months, but we've been working on a secret project that we're ready to unveil right now.
Unveil?
Is that a word?
Unveil.
Unveil right now.
So everybody remembers back in March 2020, when the world changed. Almost everything stopped. It felt really eerie and creepy.
Wash your hands with soap and hot water for the length of time it takes to sing happy birthday twice.
Everybody got shook to the core, including us. We have a video production company where we make videos for other people for a living. That's how we make our money. And as everything started getting shut down one after another, we started getting calls and emails saying that job is canceled, that job is canceled, that job is canceled.
So you know that feeling when something really tragic happens or whatever and you just kind of go numb? It feels like the blood left your body. Well, that's pretty much what happened to us. And I know there's a lot of small businesses that were in that same position, totally sucked. We go, what the hell are we gonna do? You know, you have savings, but when you think that you lost every single job for the rest of the year, you start to panic a little bit. So after a few days of trying to wrap our heads around what the hell was going on and knowing that we needed to figure something out quickly, there was always something on the back burner that we wanted to do, people had asked us to do for years, is teach. And sort of teach everybody how we do what we do, how to make videos, how to edit, what to use, all that kind of stuff, how to start a YouTube channel. And so, you know, we started to think and we go, you know what? We never could do it before because our jobs, traveling, whatever, it was like, there was never the right time because we knew it was gonna be about 4 to 6 months to create this. It's a beast of a project. We cover a lot of stuff. And so you go, you know what? Let's do it.
Let's find something good out of the situation. So that's what we've been doing for the past 6 months.
Yeah. So we had come back from Bali in mid-November and rented a house in Vegas because we just didn't want to do the winter in the RV again. Okay, go. Woo! Oh, gosh. Whoa! And actually it turned out amazing because we were able to make one of the rooms a set to film this course in. And, you know, we had nothing distracting us. It was just all in, 10 hours a day, banging it out, script writing, filming, editing, and we did it.
We got it done, and what a feeling at the end to get something done like that, because it is like your life's work is out there now to help people learn and grow and create, and it's just an amazing feeling.
Yeah. Now that is just one side of the story.
So we've been in the RV for the past 4.5 years. We've traveled 40,000 miles across the US and back, and we've seen a lot in the United States. And we feel like the adventure isn't necessarily there like it used to be. And so we're looking for the next adventure.
The next high, the next adventure.
Yeah, the next adventure.
And we want to be able to bring you guys awesome YouTube videos.
Man,
and if we're in the desert, you know, it gets kind of limiting.
So as bad as coronavirus is, and as horribly as it has affected the world and taken so many people's lives, we always try to find the good in everything. And this was an amazing moment for us to pause, focus, and really look at not only what we wanted to do with our business, but also look what we want to do with our lives. And we feel like a lot of people are doing that now and going, okay, I don't necessarily want to be grinding on a job that I don't like. I don't want to send my kids to a school that I miss them all day and I don't get the chance to connect with them. So that's really where the sailboat dives even deeper for us, because like I said, we've been in the RV, but we feel like the sailboat is that next level of...
Well, let's be real. it's a whole new challenge, you know? Like when we downsized our entire life and moved into the RV, that had its challenges, you know? People are like, how the hell did you do that? And we're like, I don't freaking know. But we did, you know? And so now it's like, the idea and the fear is healthy. It's
big time.
It's a healthy fear. I mean, you watch these Perfect Storm where with the waves, and I can't even watch any of that anymore. But what we have been doing is doing research and checking out. I mean, Gone with the Winds, we've met them a few times and we saw their whole transition into the sailboat, and they've never sailed before. And there's other families, Sailing Zatara, we're like hooked on them, the sailing family. And to see the kids, what the kids are doing on these boats and the experiences they get in all of these places that they go, I mean, priceless. Yeah. Priceless.
So that's where the fire is. We believe in total immersion, and that's why we want to go down to Florida, because we're in Las Vegas right now.
Oh, we didn't mention that. So we're gonna, we are relocating to Florida in the next few weeks or so.
Probably 4 weeks, 5 weeks.
And we're going to be able to look and touch and see and feel these boats and just get the energy flowing.
Yeah, we're gonna rent charters and go out to the Bahamas, go down to the Keys, and crew on ships and go to sailing school. Because we have to be immersed in this if we really want to be able to get it done in the time that we want to get it done in.
And our goal is also, we want to bring you guys along with us. So wherever we are in the world, whoever's out there that sees our videos, if you want to hop on the boat,
can you imagine?
Sail with us.
My God.
You know, it's like because you know, we just put it out there on Instagram, I think yesterday, and we've had, oh my God, so many comments.
60, 70 comments.
People saying, I wish, I dreamed, that's my wish, you know, like how much people would love to do it. So that's a goal of ours, is to really incorporate our friends out in the world, you know, and you get to enjoy it with us.
Come spend a week with us in the Bahamas. Come go through the Panama Canal with us. Let's do a 30-day crossing across the Pacific and end up in the freaking French Polynesias. Like, that to me is like, whoa, I can't wait to do that.
Do you have sailing experience? So we would love to hear from you guys in the comments, like, could you do this? Would you do this? Do you have experience? Do you have any pointers for us? I mean, it's just, the whole world just opened up in so many ways, and we're just so excited.
Every time we get a new challenge like this, we feel alive. I don't know if you can tell, our energy is like buzzing the last couple of days. The kids are going crazy. They can't wait to go on the boat. Ryder's inside watching how to sail a sailboat all day long.
Ryder is obsessed.
They're learning sailing terminology right now, so we are all in with this, guys, and we can't wait to see where it goes. One thing that I'm looking forward to in a year and a half, when we launch out of the harbor for the first time, I would love to look back on this video and go, holy crap, you remember when we were sitting in front of the RV in Las Vegas dreaming about this day.
What the hell, what was in store for us. But we are ready. Oh God, let's talk about when we asked the kids. We showed the kids a couple of videos and we go, guys, what do you think? Would you want to live on a sailboat? All right, what'd you guys think about that?
It was so cool.
So we have a little announcement for you. We've been in the RV for 4 years now.
Yeah.
What would you guys think about moving on a sailboat? That might be a good idea, then,
You guys seem like you're a little bit excited about the idea.
Are you guys ready to try something new?
Yeah!
I can't even tell you the screams that came out
we're like,
of excitement.
Sounds like we're murdering you.
I know, the screams of excitement. We just looked at each other and started crying. We're like, this is it. Like,
Let's go.
That's always the sign for us, is run it by the kids. What do the kids think? Let's have a family meeting. Let's talk about it. And they were 150% game. And ever since then, that's all they want to watch, is either sailing family videos or leopard, like we want the Leopard 48 or 52, whatever. But that's the floor plan that we love. And so Ryder is in there. Leopard 48.
How do you sail Leopard 48?
Siri, Leopard 48.
He wants to pull up videos and Google it. And I'm going, what the heck? Who would have thought?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Who would have thought? All right, so it's been pretty busy. We just finished up the 2 courses, the Kids Video Boot Camp and the Future Filmmakers Signature Course. So if you're interested in that, down and below we'll have the link to it and you can check it out.
90 classes, 10 hours of classes, and we're gonna be loading up new stuff all the time. New GoPro Hero 9 just came out. New Sony ZV-1
Seriously, the 8 just came out. My God, GoPro.
Sony A7 III's just came out, so we're gonna be reviewing all this stuff in the class and teaching you guys how to use it and how to maximize them, all that great stuff.
Oh, so we got the courses done. We're getting ready to really launch that onto the world. We got the whole relocation to Florida happening. So just so you know, we are going to be pumping out more YouTube videos regularly because the whole massive workflow is done for the courses. So we had to sort of make a choice, YouTube or get the courses done. So we decided to focus on the courses, but now we can focus more on YouTube and connect with everybody again. We miss you all, and we thank you for all the comments because everybody's like, we miss you guys, where are you? So we are so thankful that people are still subscribing, even though we haven't really posted much. So guys, seriously.
The rebirth is about to happen. We're about to blow this thing up. We're all gonna go to the next level. We're gonna connect, create a crazy community, join up around the world, and just have an epic experience together.
Yes.
So we hope you guys get out there and definitely
try something new.